This is the practice test for percents, and here we are working on problem number 4, which states write the following relationship as a ratio in simplest form: 27 students out of 63 students. So a ratio can be set up just like a fraction, and the 27 students is mentioned first, so that goes on top. 27 out of 63, and 63 would go on the bottom. So we can set up the ratio as a fraction, but then we always need to reduce it to its simplest form. And if you plug this into your calculator using the fraction key and hit the equal sign, your calculator will automatically reduce it down to 3/7, which would be our answer here, letter C. And what I've done here is I have broken down the two numbers into their factors. 27 is 9 times 3, 63 is 9 times 7, and when the 9's cancel on the top and the bottom, you're left with a 3/7. So either way, you find the right answer. The easiest way is to use the calculator.